far, what do you want to say to all people in the Beret?
Yeah, dear brothers and sisters, fellow LGBTs, entire the world, I am Mars Balauro from Phil Guys Association. Attaining our gender identities for the last 10 years is not easy. We urge the Hong Kong government to pass the anti-discrimination law. Long live international solidarity.
Hi, I am Phil Guys Association in Hong Kong fighting love equality around the world. Thank you.
Hi, I'm John Diaz from Phil Guys Association. Whatever religion or nation we are all LGBT. We are for diversity.
Thank you. Our beautiful ladies out there, what do you want to say to all people in this parade?
Hi, I'm Irene of Phil Guys Association Hong Kong, the first lesbian organization in Hong Kong. Phil Guys fights homophobia. Your struggle is our struggle. Long live international solidarity! Long live international solidarity! Long live international solidarity!
Yeah!
Hi, I'm Spike Sanchez, a popular committee of Phil Guys Hong Kong Association, has been fighting against homophobia and discrimination for the last 9 years. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any message for the Pride Parade?
Yes, I think we support migrant worker. Migrant worker is worker. LGBT migrant is migrant. Worker LGBT is LGBT. So we are together. We support us. Yeah.
Nakilay tayo para sa isa't isa. Pagkat pareho lang tayong dalawa. Ilang patutunguhan, dapat sa umpisahan. Ang pagsasama lang nag-isip pa. Ito ang sinulat, nagpupunwang kanal. Kasyang tumulong sa ating daman. Ito ang sinulat, nagpupunwang malinis. Na puno ng tutuloy at higit. Pagkat tayong dalawa ay nagmamalubo. Ang sa isa't isa'y gabay. Pagkakaman natin, mananalitin. Ang mga muskang punso'y babaguhin. Sabi nila hindi tayo magiging masaya sa isang pagtitingin ng di tama. Tingnan sa